Hi, in this video we are going to see the online national workshop on the advanced research methodology topic. So really it is a very important subject as well as a mandatory subject as a pre-PhD coursework to all the PhD registered candidates guys. Fine. And here we're having the 2 months of workshop, that is July to August 2021, and you will get this one based upon the online mode guys. And this workshop is organizing by the IIT, that is Indian Institute of Technology. So the candidates who wants to get the workshop on this research methodology really will get the very good content, okay, from this online workshop guys. So if you're having any friends or the colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunity, then please share this video to them. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So faculty development program, advanced research methods with R, and it is from the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, Department of Management Studies. Okay. So from July to August 2021 on online mode. And here about the IIT, okay, you may know. And while coming to the FDP, IIT Roorkee has been a leader in academic research, that is NIRF rank 1. This online FDP program is carefully designed for the faculty members across different domains of engineering and the management to learn the research methodologies and their implementation through R. And the faculty members include experts in different areas across IITs and IIMs, and the PhD students can also greatly benefit from this program and encouraged to register. Fine. So PhD aspirants and the PhD pursuing candidates, so for all these candidates, really it will be a wonderful opportunity guys. Okay, you can easily clear your research methodology subject as a part of your pre-PhD coursework. So really you are going to get the wonderful concept from this one, because here the faculty members are going to teach you, deliver you. Okay, so who finished their graduations or the post graduations or the PhDs from the top reputed colleges in India. And coming to the contents you are going to get here, what is the R? Introduction to R, data preparation and visualization, regression modeling, time series analysis, panel data techniques, nonlinear data modeling, and publishing articles in top journals. So how to publish the articles in top journals also, you are going to get that content in this video. So it is very, very important guys. Okay, the candidates who are pursuing the PhD, this topic is very, very important. And coming to the targeted audience, young faculty members with passion for quantitative research will find the program extremely useful, and the research scholars and the PhD students at advanced stages are also encouraged to apply. And here the contact information is kept here. So Professor Abhinav, and email ID is also kept, contact number is also there. And if you want to check the profile of the Abhinav Tripathi, that means the contact information given here. So you may check down, click on that one, and you may get the profile of this person. So here you may check that graduation from IIT Roorkee and post graduation from IIM, and PhD also from the IIM Lucknow. Okay, so really you are going to get very good content and the knowledge from this online workshop guys. And here the little bit disappointing thing is that the program payment fee is 9,000 rupees including the GST. So it is a disappointing thing. Okay, it is a huge cost, but I don't know why this IIT kept this much of amount. Okay, fine. So the name of the beneficiary as well as the savings bank account name of the bank and IFSC code, okay, everything is given here, you may check down. And they did not mention anything about the certificate here too. So we don't know whether they will provide the certificate or not. And how to register, the candidates interested in the program may register to the link provided below. So click on this one and then you will be directed to the Google Forms guys. Okay. So it is a Google form. You have to fill up the candidate name, date of birth, gender, present address. So are you a student or a faculty, name of the institution or affiliation, education details, official email ID for communication, mobile number for communication, and how this course fits into your career objects, and you have to upload the fee payment receipt. Click on the submit button. Okay. So these are the particulars that you have to fill up. So PhD pursuing candidates or else the post graduation candidates, okay, everybody can able to apply for this one if you are okay with the fee, 9,000 rupees. Okay. So it is the course you are going to get from July to August, guys, through online mode only. That means you can attend this workshop by simply sitting in your home. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide